Hey there, my name's Dimitri from Softr, and in this video, we're gonna explore how to build your own template inside of Softr. So ever since Softr launched 3 years ago, our community has been the biggest fuel to our growth. Every day, we're seeing thousands of no-code apps being created beyond our wildest imagination. Marketers, accountants, designers, SMB owners, professors, and students are all creating and sharing software online. This is something no one would believe a decade ago. And today, we are taking this ecosystem to the next level by introducing Make Your Own Templates feature with Softr Universe, a place for no-code creators to collaborate, share, and discover no-code apps with each other. Share your templates with the world. With the template generation feature, you can now turn your Softr app into a template with just a click of a button. By default, we don't share your templates with anyone, but you can submit it to be featured on Softr Universe, which will then be seen by 200,000 Softr users. This is great for showcasing your skills, generating leads for your business, promoting your brand, sharing your knowledge with the community, and much more. So let's dive into creating your own templates inside of Softr. So say, for example, this contract report was your template. Open up any template though that you would build, and then you can press this down arrow right here and press create a template, and you can just name it my template. You can do whatever you want with a few description lines here. So I'm gonna put contractor portal. So we can put something like this, stating that the contractor portal template is a comprehensive online platform designed to streamline the workflow for contractors and project managers. Perfect. And then also from there, we can upload a thumbnail if we'd like. All right, now, so let's upload this image right here as a thumbnail. And then you're gonna copy the public link. Now you're gonna get the public link to copy your base. So in your Airtable base, you're gonna go to share publicly to create your read-only link and enable the copy data function. So let's go here into the contractor portal, press share right here, share publicly, and then click on enable shared base link. And then from there, we're gonna copy this link and paste it right here. And also as a heads up, if your app includes any actions, including user related, anyone with access to the template can modify its underlying data. Please make sure you're okay with the risk before proceeding. So we're working to improve this, but let's press a create template here. And now you'll see right here that you have your own templates. It's not gonna be shown to other Softr users. As you can see, it's not published here, but we can edit this or use this template if we wanna do multiple of these different types of contractor portals, just using this template for front-end purposes internally. To share it with others, you can publish this, then send them the link. If I press publish here, and then in the My Template section, you'll see that it's published. Now I can send somebody the link and they would be able to use this as a template. And you have the ability to feature this by submitting it to the Softr Universe to see if you can get it featured with us as well. If you like this video and want to see more about how to improve your skills using Softr, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and check out this video on how to improve your skills using Softr even more.